Updated September 30, 2020 8:38 a.m. Eastern Time. Original September 29, 2025 09 p.m. ETOrder ReprintsPrint ArticleText sizePalantir Technologies headquarters in Palo Alto, California. David Paul Morris BloombergPalantir Technologies and its financial advisors set a reference price of $7.25 a share for the company's direct listing Wednesday on the New York Stock Exchange. A recent Wall Street Journal report anticipated an opening price on the stock of $10 a share, which would give the big data analytics company a valuation of about $22 billion. The reference price was announced late Tuesday by the NYSE. In the small set of previous recent direct listings, the reference price hasn't proved especially helpful in projecting the first trade. The most recent major direct listing was Slack Technologies ticker Work in June 2019, which had a reference price of $26, and opened for trading at $38.50. ForSpotify Technology Spot, which listed in April 2018, the reference price was $132, and the first trade came at $167. A reference price isn't the same as the IPO price in a conventional offering. In an IPO, the shares to be sold in the offering are exchanged at the stated price. But 0 shares are traded at the reference price in a direct listing. As one IPO market observer told Barron's, the reference price is totally useless and always based on the last private market trades. In the short announcement that includes the reference price, the NYSE said, the reference price is not an offering price. The opening public price will be determined by buy and sell orders collected by the NYSE from broker-dealers. Based on such orders, the designated market maker will determine an opening price in consultation with a financial advisor and pursuant to applicable NYSE rules. The reference price is below Palantir's recent private market peak in pre-IPO trading of $11.50 a share. Note that the majority of the company's stock is subject to a 6-month lockup agreement, a measure intended to reduce volatility in early trading. Last week, Palantir provided financial guidance for the third quarter ending September 30, the full year, and next year. The company projects third quarter revenue of $278 million to $280 million, up between 46% and 47%, with non-GAAP operating income of $60 million to $62 million, excluding $54 million in expenses related to the listing, stock-based compensation, and related payroll expenses. For the full year, the company sees revenue of $1.05 billion to $1.06 billion, up between 41% and 43%, with non-GAAP operating income of $116 million to $126 million. The company expects 2021 revenue growth of more than 30%. Asana, which also is going public on Wednesday via a direct listing, has a reference price of $21, which would imply valuation of $3.2 billion. Palantir will trade under the symbol PLTR. Luisa Beltran contributed reporting to this article. Write to eric.savitz at eric.savitz@barrons.com.